Namaskar. Welcome to yet another episode of Cook Speaks. And why I'm saying it's a special episode of Cook Speaks is primarily because we are virtual today. And today being 31st, the closure of the financial year for all the Indians. And of course, we are recording today, that is 31st March, which is Eid. So a very happy Eid to all the Muslim brothers. A very happy Eid to all the countrymen. May we all live in brotherhood, peace, and harmony. Hi, Anshul.
Hi, sir. How are you doing?
I'm absolutely. Hi, Sakshi.
Sir.
So, this is the first time Anshul and Sakshi Cook Speaks is going virtual here.
Right,
After
that's fantastic, and we're very glad to be a part of this.
Yeah. And when we had a talk with you all, maybe about a year back, we had met in Bombay. And when you were planning these absolutely marvelous tracks which have come out now in the public, first of all, congratulations to absolutely beautiful 3 tracks which you have released, Anshul and Sakshi.
Thank you so much.
I think I'll start with the lady first.
Yes.
Great. 1302. Sakshi, नहीं मतलब समझ में आता, समझाओ.
I think if I put it very simply, it's a combination of Anshul and my birthdays, but it doesn't end there, right? It is
बताओ हम लोग को हमारे दर्शकों को बताओ किसका बर्थडे कब है.
So Anshul is 13th January, and I am 2nd April, 2 days away from my birthday. But
Okay, that is day after tomorrow. तो अगर तुम पहले बोलती तो परसों शूट करते अपन लोग. Anyway, so that is the thing. 1302. Okay, that is the thing. That is the birthdays for you.
But then, as I'm saying, it's not just a number, right? It has, I think, a deeper personal significance for both of us. It's
like
kind of, it's a foundation of this journey, a reminder of why we started, the essence of what we aim to do. So that name is personal, but also unique, very modern, very disruptive, very quirky, and it allows us to take this venture to newer meanings as we scale up and as we evolve. So I think it's just more deeper than that, but that's the beginning of it.
But great significance if you see, the birthdays of both of you. Now, Sakshi, you have been looking after the finances, or you are the producer of this, and Anshul has been looking after the direction mostly now. Anshul, I was reading your biodata, young man. My God, yeah, very impressive biodata, Anshul. Yeah.
Thank you.
Films you've done. You've been an assistant director for Kidnap, Tunpur Ka Superhero, Deadline Sirf 24 Ghante. You have written an award-winning book, Tune for the Dead, which is a crime mystery, and which I'll be borrowing from you very soon. Then you did a political campaign for BJP.
Right.
And you've done TV series, yeah, like this is one serial which is very popular in India, that is Savdhan India,
Right.
And you've done Arjun, you've done Gumrah, you've done Agent Raghav. ये सब छोड़ के म्यूजिक में कहाँ घुस गए अंशुल?
So actually, my beginning in the field, in the creative field, actually started with music, and मैं खुद गाने compose कर रहा था और लिख रहा था. This is back in early 2000s, and but that point of time, the music industry and the music scene was very, very different.
Which year was that?
So I started composing in 1998.
अरे बाप रे बाप, वो तो about 27 years, yeah.
Yeah, I was still in college. I mean, I was giving my CA foundation exam, और मुझे आज भी याद है मेरा मैथ का पेपर था, और मॉर्निंग में 8 बजे पेपर के लिए अपीयर होना था, और 7 बजे मैं एक सॉन्ग पेन कर रहा था. That was the first song I penned in my life.
And did you pass in maths?
With flying colors. Yes.
That's a good one.
So I mean, that's how. So my journey started with music. Yeah. And but that point of time, music industry बहुत अलग थी. There were handful of companies, cassettes और CDs बिकते थे. It was very, very difficult to get into a company, have your product released. आज का जो digital explosion जो हो गया, where everybody has a music piece in their hand, and it doesn't cost much to them to listen to music. वो उस वक्त था नहीं. So, and I used to write plays and stuff like that in my school and college as well. So slowly, when I decided to shift my career from CA, from commerce, to creatives, I started working as an assistant director and assistant writer in a feature film called Deadline Sirf 24 घंटे, जिसका नाम आपने भी mentioned. और वहाँ से फिर मेरी जर्नी चालू हुई फिल्म्स में, और उसके बाद back to back I did several films, and then I got into television. एंड देन टेलीविजन में मैंने एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग शो लिखा और डायरेक्ट किया था. उसका नाम है दिल दोस्ती डांस. इट यूज्ड टू कम ऑन चैनल बी.
Okay.
So while my stint at that show, I directed a lot of music videos because हर episode के अंदर एक गाना, एक dance video होता था. That was a point in time. और उसके बाद में a friend of mine who was starting his own music label, उनके लिए मैंने बहुत सारे music videos direct किए. I've directed around 40-50 music videos
अरे
overall.
बाप रे, huge,
I
huge
started,
number. Yeah.
and then when me and Sakshi, we were contemplating on this idea and working on this together. I mean, it was a very natural progression for me to establishing other music labels to having my own music label, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
while I was a very good big contributor force to the success of another music label, I thought that it was time I took it to for my own label, create my own brand, create music of significance to me, and the kind of music I would like to share with
Yeah.
the world.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Sakshi, coming back to you now. Your first song, Kyun. Kyun. We'll play that track record, that which we'll borrow from you. All the viewers must listen to this absolutely amazing number, Kyun. And I loved the starting. I especially noted down the starting. ये जॉब मेरे कैरियर के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. लड़का बोलता है, लड़की बोलती है, मुझसे लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप नहीं होता. तो यहाँ से आपने उसको शुरू किया. ये कंसेप्ट, ये आइडिया साक्षी कहाँ से आया?
Yeah, idea to Anshul ka hai, so I'll have to throw it back to him. But he is the creative force behind this whole song. I mean, we heard the song, we really loved the song. And
Amazing song, yeah,
history
amazing.
behind
Amazing
the
song.
song also.
Amazing song, amazing. And lyrics are beautiful. Picturization, Anshul, I must congratulate, as we showed to the viewers right now. Absolutely
Thank you.
amazing that. And you received how much? About 65,000 views in a matter of about 7 to 10 days, 15 days?
Right. So it was very very encouraging because एक नया music label जब चालू होता है with zero subscribers and zero audience base.
अभी कितने सब्सक्राइबर हो गए अंशुल?
अभी 21,000 से ज्यादा हो गए हैं.
अरे वाह, it's very good, yeah. It's
Yeah.
very good.
And तो जब हमने exactly एकदम zero से चालू किया, मैं और साक्षी, हम उसके पहले 2 subscribers थे चैनल के. So then when we uploaded Q, I mean we got very encouraging response because काफी लोगों ने उसको देखा, पसंद किया. और ये जो आपने अभी सवाल पूछा कि why was that beginning, so गाना, जब आप सिर्फ गाना सुनते हो, जब कोई वीडियो नहीं है, तो you know that it's a song of heartbreak, it's a song of questions कि क्यों मुझसे जुदा हो गए, और क्यों है ये दूरियां. So the first cliche thoughts that come to your mind is that there is a boy and a girl और उनका breakup हो गया, या किसी ने cheating कर दी, या किसी ने किसी को छोड़ दिया और वो चला गया, and this is why it is happening. But I wanted to take it one step further ahead and make it very relatable and realistic in today's world.
Okay.
आज के time पे relationships are a little fragile, and there are other things that have taken priority over relationships. Whether it is career, or whether it is even simple disagreements between a man and a woman, it can cause disruption in a relationship.
Correct,
So
correct.
we wanted to keep it very real, and the song is very young and peppy.
Very
so
nice song.
keep
As I
it very
said,
youthful.
it's absolutely amazing song. ये जो आपने, जब ये मैंने पढ़ा आप लोग का, साक्षी और अंशुल दोनों का, बोलूंगा, मुझसे लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप नहीं होगा, तो हम लोग के जमाने में टेलीफोन से कोरिलेटेड होता. हम पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, इश्क भोपाल में है और दिल्ली में पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, तो बोलती थी आ जाओ, हम कहते थे नहीं यार नहीं आ सकते, ये लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप हमसे नहीं होता, फोन पे हम बात नहीं कर सकते, फोन पे इश्क नहीं कर सकते, आ ही रहे हैं तुम्हारे पास, बट टाइम्स हैव चेंज्ड. So this is it. This was the first one which you released. I think the singer was
Sudeep Jaipurwale.
Sudeep Jaipurwala, and it was written by Sudeep only.
Yes, it was written and composed by Sudeep Jaipurwale. So he was the creative force behind the audio.
Yeah.
And obviously we selected it and produced the whole song, molded it to our taste and the kind of music we want to do.
Beautifully picturized. As the viewers you will enjoy. It was a beautifully picturized song. We will anything you want to correlate regarding behind the scenes episodes or some interesting incidents about the song? This was the first one which you recorded for your company. Pink Pigeon is the name of your company.
So Pink Pigeon is the name of the umbrella, Pink Pigeon Records Private Limited, and 1302 is the music division.
Yeah, that's the label what you've kept, and I think you have named it as Soul of the Indie Music.
Yeah, music for soul. Yeah.
Okay. So ये आप लोग का पहला रिकॉर्डिंग था आपकी कंपनी का, साक्षी और आपके लिए. इसमें कुछ तकलीफें भी रही होंगी. Everything must have gone very smooth. Any interesting incidents? कि सब चालू हो गया, लाइट चालू नहीं हो रही, माइक चालू नहीं हो रहा, something like that. Some interesting incident for the viewers.
Actually interesting ज़्यादा मतलब वो नहीं था कि ये problems आ रही थी while making the bigger challenge was that we had decided the release date.
Okay.
And we were while we were moving very quickly and very good pace for creating the content.
Yeah.
At the same time हम लोग जो कंपनी को रजिस्टर कर रहे थे और जो हम नाम रजिस्टर कर रहे थे और वो जो ऑल द फॉर्मेलिटीज दैट गोज बिहाइंड व्हाइल रजिस्टरिंग अ प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी, आई मीन दैट वाज द रियल चैलेंज कि पहले गाना बन जाएगा या पहले कंपनी रजिस्टर होगी.
I think I will second that. हमने मतलब बहुत पापड़ बेले, बहुत सारा एफर्ट गया हमारा, बहुत सारा टाइम, स्ट्रेस, बिकॉज सब कुछ रेडी हो गया यहाँ पे और कंपनी इनकॉर्पोरेट नहीं हो रही है, नाम नहीं मिल रहा है, नाम के लिए डिफिकल्टीज आ रही है. सो यस, टोटली
These difficulties are there when you start from scratch. You all both started from zero, yeah. So these things happen, especially formation of a company, then the name approvals, then you go to the ROCs. These things happen. Now coming to the next one, बड़ी देर से तुम नजर नहीं आए, ढल गई धूप लो आंगना होके सांझ चली, राहुल मिश्रा, Jay Atre, written by Jay Atre. Marvelous response. You had a very progressive viewership as regards your three tracks. The first one was 65, the second was 89, the third one we'll discuss now. You've crossed about 2.5 as what Sakshi told me right now. So it's been a progressive, it's been a very progressive thing, which is a very good sign, in terms of the progress and the success. Right. Now the second one.
I would like to share good news with you for the latest track. I mean, जो हमारा अभी 3-4 दिन पहले रिलीज हुआ है,
मैं नहीं मिलूंगा,
26 तारीख मैं वही मिलूंगा. तो मैं वही मिलूंगा जो है वो पिछले 5 दिन से उसका जो सॉन्ग है, जो म्यूजिक है, वो इंस्टाग्राम पे ट्रेंड कर रहा है. इट्स इन द ट्रेंडिंग म्यूजिक,
which is a very good sign.
Yeah, so a lot of people are making reels on it. People are loving the song. There's phenomenal response of the song on Instagram, and I think that's what we are seeing getting converted on YouTube as well. YouTube के ऊपर जो response आ रहा है, it's collectively more than the other 2 songs, and all this has happened in past 5 days. और हमारा जो Instagram का जो platform है उसके ऊपर we've crossed more than 1.5 million views in those past 5 days. Of all the people who are coming and exploring our platform there. Yeah. So बहुत ज़्यादा encouraging response. I mean, we are really
good
happy.
Good news. अगर तुम्हारा वीडियो का शॉर्ट बनना शुरू होगा, तुम दोनों सेलिब्रिटी की तरफ जा चुके हो. You have taken the first step towards a celebrity status. I can assure you that is absolutely fine. We'll play this song for the audience, Anshul and Sakshi. This बड़ी देर से तुम नजर नहीं आए. This is the second track, written by Jay Atre and sung by Rahul Mishra. So this is for our viewers. Enjoy this lovely song. We're just giving you the one-liner, two-liner. Go to their YouTube, see the song, subscribe to their channel, and enjoy these lovely tracks.
ढल गए धूप लो आंगना होके सांझ चले.
Track number 3, which you just released on the 26th. मैं वहीं मिलूंगा, Rahul Mishra. Achha, I was just asking Sakshi before we started the recording, which was off the record. Now I'll put it on the record. And in fact, she got very annoyed when I said you replaced, Sudeep Jaipurwala with Rahul Mishra. She said, no, sir, we have not replaced. We give new chances to new people, So, any particular, mindset you have got that yes, we have to promote a better talent, also get new talent into our platform?
I think absolutely, and maybe I can just start here. It's Rahul, and both Rahul and Sudeep are not new talents. They've been there. And
no, name is heard. Both of them are known. Yeah,
you're right that one of the key pillars and goals of the music label from our side is to promote emerging talent.
Yeah.
Really look and not just go in the industry, but really go outside of the industry, across India, in remote locations. We all know the kind of talent जो है हमारे देश में भरा पड़ा है.
बहुत है. Chance नहीं मिलता
in India. So we really want that, and I think with Badi Der Se, again just going back, we did that. We had some people from Kashmir locally helping us, like the actress is a local Kashmiri. So yes, that's the goal for us, that we will be able to use our platform to give these artists a chance.
Absolutely, point noted, Sakshi. Anshul, giving chance to new talent pan India. How do you plan that?
So, sir, I think, being a brand new platform, sometimes there is hesitation for even new talents to, reach out to you. But now having, released our third original, and the kind of response that we are getting, we have started seeing a lot of influx of new talents reaching out to us.
Very nice.
So we do intend to, create a kind of a place for them to, collaborate with us on several levels, whether they are musicians or directors or actors or, any creators, so to speak. हम लोग consciously ये efforts करते हैं कि we can work with a different band of talents, a big talent pool, और वो अलग अलग जगह से आए, खासकर ऐसे लोग जो यू नो सी कहने के लिए क्या है आज की तारीख में, इट्स वेरी इजी टू मेक योर म्यूजिक एंड पुट इट आउट देयर, राइट? आपने गाना बनाया अपने रिसोर्सेज के हिसाब से और आपने यूट्यूब के ऊपर डाल दिया, तो आपने अपना गाना बाहर निकाल दिया।
जी जी
बट द ट्रूथ ऑफ द मैटर इज दैट to make a good quality song, audio and video, and putting it out there, and then putting a lot of marketing funds over it, नहीं तो यू नो करोड़ों वीडियोस जो रोज अपलोड होते हैं उसमें एक अगर आ भी गया नीचे और जंगल में मोर नाचा तो किसने देखा वाली बात
हाँ
हो जाती
बिल्कुल सही है, सही है।
है। तो उसके लिए बहुत इंडिविजुअल फंड्स चाहिए होते हैं जो हर म्यूजिशियन या फिर हर यू नो टैलेंट पूल के पास में नहीं अवेलेबल है।
तो आप
So
लोग
that
you are searching for funds also?
yeah, so yes, of course, so you know that is where people like us come in, who are running a music label, who you know who've got distribution, who've got you know resources to create amazing audio and video at a very you know significantly lower cost than the market. So you know that is the idea कि how we can expand to you know a huge talent pool from across the country, और जितने लोग हमें अप्रोच करेंगे we'll be very happy to listen to what they are
Great,
they have
yeah.
to offer.
I hope after this video is released, people come to you, and it will be you know something very good for Cook Speaks and for your company, that
Right.
we can help in promoting new talent. You know, because
Right.
we as Sakshi rightly said, we've got lovely talent in India. Unfortunately, they don't see the right door, you know, where they can enter and make success. अच्छा
Exactly.
अंशुल, एक तुमसे बहुत सीरियस बात कर रहे हो तुम, थोड़ा लेट्स गो लिटिल लाइट यार। ये तो एक तो इंसिडेंट बताते ही नहीं हो, एक शेयर सम गुड इंसिडेंट। आउटडोर शूटिंग में तुम लोग करते हो, कैसे करते हो, कहाँ कहाँ जाते हो आउटडोर शूटिंग के लिए? बॉम्बे गए, कहाँ गए, पूना गए?
So क्यों के लिए हम लोगों ने बहुत
क्यों
सारी
आपका पहला वाला था, द
हाँ,
फर्स्ट वन?
क्यों जो फर्स्ट सॉन्ग था उसके लिए हमने बहुत सारी लोकेशंस पे शूट किया। 4 दिन का शूट था उसके अंदर, और दैट वाज अ मैमथ शूट फॉर अ वेरी स्मॉल यू नो ओपनिंग। तो हमने मुंबई में शूट किया,
कहाँ पे? मुंबई में किस जगह पे शूट किया?
हमने मुंबई में बांद्रा कुर्ला कॉम्प्लेक्स में शूट किया, जहाँ पे वो ऑफिस स्पेस आपने देखा, जहाँ पे वो शुरू में बैठा हुआ है।
हाँ 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 हाँ, राइट। जहाँ वो
उसके
बोलती
बाद
है, वो पूछता पहला सवाल है मेरे जॉब, मेरे कैरियर का सवाल है।
जी जी,
वो टेबल में बैठे रहते हैं दोनों।
वो अकेला बैठा हुआ है, यू नो आई मीन इट्स लाइक
हाँ
आफ्टर
राइट राइट राइट
ही इज
राइट।
अलोन वर्किंग, इट्स आफ्टर ऑफिस, एवरीबॉडी इज गॉन बट ही इज स्टिल
आउटडोर
देयर।
आउटडोर लोकेशंस कहाँ की थी?
आउटडोर लोकेशंस हमने एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सा लोकेशन है द फ्रेग्रेंट सन नाम का, ये मुंबई और पूना के बीच में है। इट्स अ लेक साइड लोकेशन, वहां पर हमने शूट किया ये जाके। सो यू नो इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस, पीपल शुड विजिट इट। आई मीन द लोकेशन और उसके होस्ट भी बहुत ही अच्छे लोग हैं, यू नो इट्स अ ब्रिलियंट प्लेस। तो वहां पे हमने शूट किया, और यू नो ऑल द थिंग्स दैट यू सी एट द आउटडोर लोकेशन, जो लेक साइड है, यू नो द रेस्टोरेंट है, द कैफे काइंड ऑफ ओपन रेस्टोरेंट जो है, you know the beautiful tall dry grass and everything else, that's all around that location there. कुछ पोर्शंस हमने मुंबई में लोकली रोड्स पे और यू नो स्टेशंस के आसपास शूट किए। सो दैट्स अबाउट इट। The funny part in that shoot was, you know, how Sudeep is actually a singer, right? He's not an actor.
ओके
जो मेल लीड है गाने का
जी
वही
जी
सिंगर
जी,
है, that's सुदीप जयपुर वाले।
ओके
So while Nishi Saxena is a seasoned actor, you know, I mean, she's done a lot of work. She's worked with me also earlier in my short film Azadi.
ओके
So Nishi के साथ में Sudeep felt a bit little too conscious because he hasn't faced camera like that before.
ओके ओके।
And you know she was fantastic. You know, she helped him. You know पूरा ढाल दिया उसने उसको उस एक्टिंग के ढांचे में. You know,
अरे वाह।
so for him, you know, even touching a girl or you know hugging her or you know being with her,
टफ
that
कॉल।
was a very different. Yeah, I mean he's used to singing over a mic inside a closed studio. So that was not easy, but with my and Nishi's guidance, I mean things went very smoothly, I must
चलो
say.
चलो, वेरी वेरी नाइस। अंशुल, अपन काफी नजदीक आ गए खत्म होने पे इस बहुत ही खूबसूरत इंटरव्यू में। इट्स बीन अ प्लेजर टॉकिंग टू साक्षी एंड यू। यार ये बताओ, ये दुनिया आजकल रंग बिरंगी और शूशाबाजी में भग रही है, और तुम लोगों ने इतना अच्छा एक गाना मैं वही मिलूंगा ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में क्यों शूट किया?
So सर इसके दो कारण हैं। इसका क्रिएटिव और पोएटिक दोनों रीजन से इसको इस तरह से शूट करने के। और जब मैंने ये गाना सुना था तो इट्स अ वेरी हॉन्टिंग सॉन्ग, मतलब आपने भी गाना सुना है तो यू नो
मैंने
बहुत
पूरा सुना भाई, मैंने पूरा
बहुत
सुना।
हॉन्टिंग फील है इस ऑडियो के अंदर।
हम्म,
So you know, to complement that haunting feel, you know, I wanted to have that a very haunting ambient music video to complement that. So
ओके
that was the first thought behind it. And
ओके
secondly, the thought was कि जब हमने डिसाइड किया कि हम इसको ब्लैक सैंड बीचेस पे शूट करेंगे, इंडिया के वेस्ट कोस्ट में बहुत ब्यूटीफुल ब्लैक सैंड बीचेस हैं। हम लोग
जी
ब्लैक सैंड बीचेस की बात करते हैं दुनिया में तो सीधे आयरलैंड पहुंच जाते हैं। You know, there's
हाँ
amazing phenomenal stuff places in India जहाँ पे you know we can go and we don't know, you know, most people don't know about.
जी
तो जब हमने ये डिसाइड किया, सो आई वांटेड इट टू बी इन ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट, और इसके पीछे एक पोएटिक और फिलोसॉफिकल रीजन भी है। जब वो गाना, जब सिंगर जब वो गाना गा रहे हैं, मतलब वो जो पोएट ने, लिरिसिस्ट ने, कुणाल वर्मा ने बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लिरिक्स लिखी है
बहुत
उसमें।
बहुत अच्छा लिखा, बहुत अच्छा
तो
उसमें।
the person who's singing, he's in a very dark place in his life. आप उसकी अगर मानसिकता अगर आप देखेंगे तो he's in a very very dark place in his life, and his love is absolutely pure. So that is why the whole environment around him is very deep black, while he's wearing all white. That represents the
ओके
purity of his love.
ओके ओके
And visually that creates a very stark contrast. Black sand beaches, dark black water, dark black trees, and on top of it that character who's in white and emerging out.
करेक्ट
So
करेक्ट
that is the poetical and philosophical significance behind it. And Valsad is Sakshi's hometown. So when
हाँ
I told her ki, I just told her that Sakshi, I wish we could go to Ireland and shoot it on black sand beaches. She said that why are you looking so far? मेरे घर के बैकयार्ड में बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल ब्लैक सैंड बीचेस है.
बताइए यार,
So all thanks to her, she introduced us to those beaches there.
अरे वाह,
और फिर by chance Sakshi was on a holiday to Valsad, so she said that you guys come here, ये जगह देख लो. So Sakshi took us for a recce to all those places, and हमने वो जगह देखी, and we knew that this is exactly the place where we want to shoot.
ओके ओके, चलो anyway, thank you so much. Anshul, you belong to Bombay, is it?
No, actually I'm from Madhya Pradesh. I'm from Ratlam and Indore.
Great. Now this is something I want to end with you and Sakshi. ये मैं हर वक्त कुक स्पीक्स में एक बहुत पॉजिटिव जेंडर के साथ एंड करता हूँ, और मैंने रघुवीर यादव जी के साथ लिया. रघुवीर यादव जी भी बहुत छोटे से गांव के हैं, जबलपुर के पास के.
जी.
और अन्नू कपूर जी की पैदाइश भोपाल की है, और देखिए कहाँ where they have gone in life. I have done a lot of shoots with all of them. Creditable to both of you, yeah. Sakshi coming from Bhopal, and Anshul coming from Ratlam, and the way you have worked hard in life. And Sakshi, what prompted you to take a leap from Bhopal, simple life, nice population of 25 lakhs, jumping into 1.5 crores of population? What prompted you?
So I think it's I will give that credit to my dad, right? Because he saw that if he wanted me to make it big, or even my brother, so he is the one who prompted us to move.
You are one brother and one sister?
My
Okay.
brother is right now in US, and I'm in Bombay here.
Okay.
So I think he's the one who prompted us to get out. But of course, it's one thing to be out here, and the others to really.
It's great, yeah. As I said, hats off to both of you, and even to Anshul, hats off to both of you coming from such a small place, making your presence felt in Bombay. And we'll come to a close now, but I'll request, give us good sort of videos or some snapshots or something which we can give to our viewers, Anshul. And our best wishes from the team of Cook Speaks. Our best wishes to both of you, Sakshi and Anshul. मैं तो भोपाल का हूँ, तुम दोनों के समर्पित एक छोटा सा शेयर करके मैं खत्म करता हूँ कि ये इल्म नहीं इन बुतों को, ये इल्म नहीं ये बुतों को कि मेरे सजदे में मौजदा है. मेरा सजदा मतलब जो मैं प्रेयर करता हूँ उसमें मौजदा है, उसमें जादू है. इल्म इज नॉलेज. ये इल्म नहीं इन बुतों को कि मेरे सजदे में मौजदा है. अरे मैं जिसके आगे सर झुका दूं, कसम खुदा की खुदा बना.
वाह, क्या बात है.
तो आप लोग का ये जो जज्बा है ये तारीफे काबिल है. मेरी बेस्ट विशेस हैं, और ईश्वर ने चाहा तो 4th, 5th और 6th ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड के बाद अब की बार अपन वर्चुअली लाइव बैठेंगे.
जी, थैंक यू सो मच.
वंदे मातरम.
जय हिंद.